heart-shaped planet. There's a wormhole. Yay, I'm in space. Yay, I'm in space. Oh, hi guys. Hi guys. I was just making this angry bird have a trip through my nice space. Here is a moon. Kind of looks like a melted candle. My mom said it all looks like melted candles except for this one. And so this one is a hot star, a gigantic star. Here's a hard planet that I just made on my own. It always tumbles, also the moon. And this wormhole keeps rolling around because it's a circle. I try to stop it rolling with this thingy. So, before I do any of my plays today, I'm going to tell you that I lost my tooth yesterday. And yesterday it was already wiggling too much. When I was wiggling it too much, it just fell on its own when I was looking in the mirror. So, now I'm going to make the girl baby red bird. So, if you guys seen the last video, I was making a boy baby red bird, and I'm not sure if it got finished or it got cut. Because when I watched it, it got cut. And now I'm going to do the girl baby red bird and her outfit with her bow or flower. So first we're going to use this Angry Bird rubber, hold off the chopstick, and we're going to make her do them. Some of them that won't be that hard to do. Okay, so let's start. Hi guys, now I'm going to be doing the girl baby red bird with clay. Okay, so the colors that you're gonna need are like red, yellow, pokey, yellow, and poke more. Alright, that's better. Like a hole in the star. Yellow. Now we also need some white, moon white. Looks like a melted candle with some rubbish on it. Now here, I'm going to use a little bit black, which is drying up a bit, so I have to put something. We gotta wet this jar with the clean. So, now we're gonna get these three out. Get out, get out, get out. Alright, now we're gonna break the heart apart. So, we're gonna make the girl baby red bird older than the boy baby red bird. So, now it's sticky, it's all sticky. It's so sticky. It's so sticky. It's so sticky. I'm gonna try to compare this with my other boy baby rabbit. Okay, so here's our boy baby rabbit, and he got a haircut. Now he's bald like all babies are when they were just like born, or maybe they had a little bit hair that's there growing when they were still in the mom's time. But he had hair growing when he was born, and he had a diaper attached to him when he was born. So I'm not sure if I will be able to get some black on him, because the last time I tried it, it never stuck because this is not that sticky anymore. So I will do this next time. So I'll compare this now. which is still too small. I'm gonna take no. Remember, the girl baby redbird has like a dress. Don't wear red. Alright. Get over with it. Get over with it. I can bleed in blood. Blood that's easy to get out. Okay, so now we are just going to get those little pieces of bread that is still there. Bits of red. There, do you see them? Maybe there could be other colors, but I'm going to mix them with the red. Just like this. Before you ever do anything with clay, you have to pull and fold because there might be some black things or dirt that will make it like still a little bit more sticky, but could be still a little bit red, could be more red. I'll make her circle it. Alright, now I'm gonna do a circle because when I tried it became it's like a teardrop. Whoop. Is this seriously what happened? Do it faster, come on, I don't want to take for 3 hours or something. Just simple circle. Alright, so here's the simple circle. Now we're just gonna make it like a bean. A bean is just like 1, 2, open. It doesn't really look like a bean, but it has to look a little bit like big. So she's taller than the boy, and her dress will fit on her, so it's a little bit thinner. We're gonna hide this thing at the back so it won't show. We'll just do this a bit. Alright, so now we're gonna make the beak. The beak. Alright, now we're gonna take the yellow. Get this red out for a while. The girl's one is orange, so you see this one is orange. And my brother's angry bird here, it's a boy, but it has yellow. So this yellow one, it has yellow for the boy. And this one has orange for the girl. So we're going to use more red, a little yellow. I think we have to use it's hard there. I'll change it here instead. I shouldn't have got this side because it already has a little bit orange. I'm going to get some red. Okay. Now we'll just take a little red. Let's cover this thing up. And it doesn't look like a heart anymore. At least it's a heart now. Now I'll get the yellow again and put a little bit less yellow because the girls' beaks are not that big. Even though this baby redbird is girl baby redbird is older than the boy. Sorry about that mix up. birds. Right, now we'll take these two and put them together like this. And then push them like that. Circle it. Like that. And then pull and fold. There, so as you can see, there's a little bit orange in there. That's getting a bit too dark. So compared with this orange, it has to be a light kind of orange. So like we're just gonna take a little bit orange here, put this other orange in our red. I'm not gonna really mix it. That looks like a boo-boo. Now we're gonna add more yellow. I didn't put enough yellow. Yeah. Alright, so now, as I said before, push down together, circle, and mix. If you don't like doing that, you can just simply mix. I just like doing it that way. There's the orange that we want. Yeah, there's some yellow. I'm gonna compare them. Okay, now compared with this orange, it's almost the same. It's very good already. Now, just circle it, push down on one side, and then push down on the other side, and just take about this much. And we will be using this much for the beak. And we're going to put this orange in the yellow. Really mix it. Like what I did with the red. There's orange in each of these. Dark orange and light orange. And now we are gonna circle it like this, and then do a teardrop. Like in my last video, I did a teardrop like this. Remember, this side has to be on the table, and then just do 1, 2. That's enough if you're making a small one. So now we are just gonna make the beak, or like making a pyramid. So to make a pyramid, you just have to push. I will make a video where I will review how to make these shapes, and this will be after I do all. This will be after I do my orange bird, and yeah, the orange bird, the girl orange bird and the boy orange bird. Yeah, I'm just gonna attach this right over here. It looks like a parrot. Alright, now I'm gonna now make the eye. So we're going to take our yellow. We're going to take our white. Look at our white. It's so sticky. No, was that sticky the other time? This is hard. Wait. We just need to smoke this much. So I don't want to go for sticky anymore. Bird. pretty sure I have it. Let me clean these up first. I think I'm gonna wash my hands for a while. I already washed my hands. Now I'm trying to work on this silly eyes. They're so sticky. Sticky, silly. Let's inside first. I want to do it together. Alright, we got this one done. And now we're just gonna like push down a little bit with her body. 1, 2, and that's enough. And the same for this one. If you want, you don't need it. If you want, you can have no lines. If you don't want, it's fine. I don't want because it's so sticky. I don't want to take so much time to do this. I'm gonna do something next time that won't be that sticky. Okay, now I'm gonna put these on. If you have like a marker, not a marker that you use to draw or color, like a small tool to mark, or a toothpick to mark where you want to put these things. I'll need a mark because I can already figure out where to put them. Just there. This is a weird eye. Now, so I'm just gonna use her beak and make it a little bit more like a. No, it's not gonna work. Well, I'm just gonna have a silly girl. Okay, that's the most. She's so silly. She's so silly. Now I'll take some black that's hardening so much. I may have to throw that away soon. So I'm not gonna do much. Alright, now I need black again. Hey, give me the black. I'm not gonna put her hair because I'm not gonna make a hat for her, so I won't waste my black. So, I'm just singing a song from Annie the movie. This will make it not silly. Eyebrows or eyelashes. No. Eyebrows. Your eyebrows. Alright. Now I'm going to make the hat. Any color of the hat. So, no, I can't have red. I can get orange, but I still have to have yellow. That's what I picked. I'm gonna have light yellow. And I might want to mix some white with it. And white's not in here. Oh no, white's sticky. Okay, just stick it up. Alright. I hate the white, it's so sticky. I hate it, it's so sticky. Alright, now I'm gonna make it. Oh, what a weird color. It looks like Winnie's color from Winnie the Pooh. Alright, see? It looks like Winnie the Pooh's color. So, since it's, I don't want it to be Winnie the Pooh because I hate Winnie the Pooh. Because it's so childish. I'm just already 7, and I have been watching Winnie since I was 4 years old or 3. So first I'm gonna push down here, and then put this in, and wrap it around, and then pull until it doesn't look like it anymore. Because perfect, it looks perfect. It looks perfect for the hat. I'm gonna make a okay, so first we're gonna like flatten it. Don't worry about this white spot. We're gonna clean it up in a while. I didn't press that hard. Let's press on my hand so it's not that sticky to get out. Alright, now we're gonna attach it on, but we're not done yet with the hat. This is just a part of it. And yeah. Looks like Luke Skywalker. Now, oh no, I'm scared to get more white. Because I need more white. The best way how to do this, it's working fast. Working fast is the best way how to take this right off. Alright. Alright, now the white's so sticky. Great! I hate when this happens. Right. Hey. Alright. I finally made pink. Alright. Good. Gonna move fast, gonna move fast, gonna move fast, gonna move fast. Let's bring it down a bit. Circle more. Do a bean again, and then do a bean again, and a bean, just like that. Almost got it. Almost got it. Ta-da, I made a nice, cute hat. And now, for the last finale, I'm gonna make a yellow dress with an orange dress for the finale. Now I have these orange from earlier that's not really like the Winnie the Pooh, but it's almost like it. So now I'm gonna slowly attach it. It's a very long dress, so like I'm gonna fold it in like this. Doesn't look really nice, but I have to fold it in just to make it short because she's still a baby redbird. She's too young. It doesn't look like a baby redbird, so I'm just calling it a kid redbird. Girl kid redbird. It won't look that nice anymore. but I will compare to my other baby red, my other baby red bird. That's a girl that I made with a pink dress and no hat, but a ribbon. So, alright, so here is my boy baby. Here is my gigantic angry bird. Here is my weirdish girl, red. Just call it baby red bird or red bird if she's small or big. Too small for you, too big for you. Okay. She looks like a big sister. Alright, this one doesn't want to stand because his hair is not going to weigh him back. Now here, this is the other baby red bird, a girl baby red bird that I made one time. It's cuter than this one. But she still looks kind of nice. She looks like Ender, Luke from Star Wars. Clay. So, now they're a happy family. She looks like a mom. She looks like a sister. And he looks like a brother. So, thanks for watching. Please comment if you like this one or this one, or if you like them all together, or if you like both. My next video will be making the girl orange bird, and then the boy orange bird in my next video. So, bye!